You guys know what's in this box. We got the Union 4s. But before we take a look, we'll unbox the Union 4s. I do want to show you guys this backpack that Soul Premise sent me. Shout out to Soul Premise. You guys can actually use the discount code DannyMoore to save 40%. Yes, 40% off of Soul Premise bags. Check the link down below in the description. Guys, trust me, you're going to want to cop yourself one of these backpacks. They are so dope. This right here is actually a very limited bag. Only one of 150 made that they sent over. All red, which is my favorite color. And a very high quality leather. Smells just like leather bag. This bag is so spacious. Let me show you guys how many sneakers and how much room this one backpack has. It's absolutely incredible. I was blown away when I actually saw how much room this backpack actually has. You guys will see this bag in a few videos. I want to show you guys this bag right now. First of all, look how much room. You do have room for sneakers, clothing in the big section, and then you have another compartment right here with another big section, maybe for your laptop, more clothes, more sneakers, and then another compartment. Guys, this thing has tons of space with more room for more clothing. I don't think you can fit sneakers in here, but definitely clothing and some other accessories. Then you have two really nice zipper pockets right here on the front. Plenty of room for things, little knickknacks and things in the front, as well as another zipper right there. And then on the bottom, check this out. Even the bottom, you have room for sneakers, clothing, anything else you guys want to shove inside your bag. Tons of space. This bag, I believe, holds anywhere from 2 to 4 pair of sneakers. They have more duffel bags, smaller bags, bigger bags than this. I'm telling you guys, you're going to want to cop one of their backpacks. Their prices are really, really good for what you're getting. Very high quality bags. And I'm telling you, check them out. The link is down below in the description. Shout out to Soul Premise for sending this over. Make sure you guys use the discount code DannyMoore and save yourself 40% off. Guys, what a steal of a deal. So shout out to Soul Premise. We got the Union LA Jordan 4s right here in this box. I did pay resale for them. I wanted to take a look at them with you guys here on the channel. And I do have a giveaway planned for this sneaker. So to enter the giveaway, all you guys got to do is make sure that you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below in the comments right now telling me happy birthday. That's right, today is my birthday, September 23rd. So I did pay resale on this pair. We're going to unbox them. We'll take a look at the Union 4s and make sure that you enter in the giveaway. Once again, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, wish me happy birthday down below, then give me a follow on Instagram and you'll see a post coming very, very soon for the giveaway for the Union 4s. So make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram. I'm hyped, man. I'm hyped. The Union LA Jordan 4s. This is a sneaker a lot of us, I feel like, absolutely hated at first. And then when they showed more pictures that the tongue actually is a normal Jordan 4 tongue, once you remove the stitching, I feel like a lot of people changed their minds. And I'm a part of those people that changed their minds. I think these are pretty fire now. I have not seen them in person, so this is my first unboxing, initial thoughts, and everything like that with you guys. Haven't seen them yet. I do want to shout out BSH. Shout out to Brandon's Kicks. He is the person that sold me them from BHS. So make sure you guys check them out. Anyway, we do have the Union LA Jordan 4s. I'm hype. I'm hype. So we do have a size 10. I did not want to get my size because I feel like if I would have got my size, I would have kept it. I don't want to keep these. I'd much rather give them away to one of you guys. I'd much rather do that. So this is a size 10. I can't fit them. I am a 10.5 or an 11. These would be very tight on me. I do want to say, first off, I really like the box. I think this is one of the best Jordan boxes we've received pretty much all year. You do have the Union branding on top with the Jordan arms. I think that's really dope. Nice graphic. Very high detail graphic there on the box. Let's open these up. I have not seen them yet in person. I'm hype. So we do have, some really nice tissue paper. Details, baby. This shoe is all about the details. Jordan there on the paper, as well as more paper. Then we got the white paper, and now we got the shoes. So what colorway did I cop? Woo! The guava ice. Wow. Okay, first time seeing them. I must say, very nice. I'm impressed. I am impressed. They're a lot more gray, I would say, in person than photos make them look. Photos kind of make them look more whitish, but I definitely say they're more of like a light gray in person. Wow. The camera's doing a really good job of showing the colors, so that's awesome. My favorite part is the back of the shoe right there with that beautiful Nike Air. Red, blue. Very nice. The midsole is very yellow, creamish kind of color. It kind of reminds me of like aging, when it ages throughout time. The wings logos over here, the wings. I kind of wish they were cut out. It is not cut out. I kind of wish it was cut out. I think that'd be really sick if it was cut out. And then the tongue. The tongue has to be my least favorite part of the sneaker. I feel like it's a lot of people's least favorite part because it is down and it doesn't look right at all. You do have Air Jordan, it just doesn't look right. So if I was gonna keep these personally, I'd probably remove the stitching. And on the inside, let me show you guys, on the inside you could actually remove the stitching. The stitching's there, you could remove it and it'll unveil the full Jordan 4 tongue. Colorway is nice though. Materials used, the suede is nice, it does wrap around the toe, nice suede. Mesh on the toe box itself. Very nice details on this sneaker. The red, the blue, the red mesh in the back. These are clean, man. Very dope. So, I did pay well under what they are going for now. Since I bought them, I think maybe 5 or 6 days ago now, they've gone up like an extra $100 and something, which is absolutely crazy. Price on this sneaker will continue, I think, to go up. You know, they have dropped. I do think they will go up in price over time. This is apparently the Union collab official sneaker, meaning like there's no other release. This is it. Just the Guava Ice was on Union website, a Union exclusive. That's the word I was looking for. This is a Union exclusive. And then we're getting the black colorway on Nike sneakers on October 16th. They're already loaded up on the sneakers app. So this is the more limited pair, and I think they're clean. The yellow laces, personally, I would never wear them with the yellow laces. If I was going to wear them, I'd go with the white laces that are already in them. Nice shoe. I like them a lot more in person than in pictures, I can tell you that much. Getting them in hand really did change my mind. You do have the yellow netting, which once again, man, they do have that kind of vintage, old vibe to it because of the midsole, the yellowing. It's already there on the netting. It's already there, you know. So I don't know if I don't think it'll get worse. It's already there, so that's cool. I'm happy they didn't give us an icy outsole. I'm happy they went with a solid outsole on this one with your red and blue, the blue Nike Air, well, Nike branding. These are fire, man. Very clean. And on the inside, you do have your Union and Jumpman branding. These are clean. I'm happy. Let me know what you guys think about the Union 4s. Did you pick them up when they dropped? Are you paying resale? If you're not paying resale, let me know why. What do you guys think about them? Cop, drop. They are pretty expensive, but a dope shoe. You do have the Union tab right here, the little tab right there. So these are cool, man. I'm happy to pick these up. So make sure you guys do subscribe, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Wish me a happy birthday, please. Today is my birthday. And then give me a follow on Instagram. And I'll post the giveaway on my Instagram very, very soon. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Somebody's going to get these, man. I can't wait to give these away. Clean, clean, clean. I do want to get my hands on the black pair, the Off Noir pair. Noir, however you say it. I do want to pick up that pair as well. So we can take a look here on the channel of the black pair as well. I do like this colorway though. Personally, I feel like I like this one more than the black one. I don't know, I gotta see the black one in hand, but in pictures, I think I like this one better than the black one personally. Let me know what you guys think though. Cop, drop, must have, easy pass. Let me know down below. Dope, I'm happy to pick these up in hand. Let me know what you guys think about them. Also, make sure you guys do hit that subscribe button if you guys love sneakers. And make sure you guys stay tuned to my Instagram. Can't wait to give these away. Woo! Fire! Oh yes, we do have the hang tag as well. Can't forget the hang tag. We have the Union hang tag there on the side as well. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Are these worth the price? I don't know, man. That's up to everybody, each their own, I would say. I don't know. They're quite a bit of money. I did pay, right now, technically a steal for them. But I do see these being very expensive in the future. I could definitely see these going to $1,500 to $2,000 in the future. So, might as well pick them up now for around that $850 price point. Maybe $900, depending on size. Very dope. Can't wait till October 16th. We have the Nike sneakers app drawer of the black pair. Hopefully take a nice W on that. I'll see you guys then for that pair. We'll do a live cop. Hopefully pick those up on the Nike sneakers app. Let me know what you guys think about the Guava Union 4s. Must cop, drop. Leave a comment down below. I do not own any of the ones. The ones are cool. Just, I don't want to pay that money that they're going for now. It's absolutely crazy. So, I'm good for now. But maybe one day we'll pick up the Union Jordan 1s. For now, we got the 4s in hand. Let me know what you guys think about these. Please drop a comment down below. Make sure you guys, once again, wish me a happy birthday down below in the comment section. Woo! Fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram. Hit that thumbs up. And make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.